There's a little-known approach to home organization that doesn't cost a dime. If you ignore these free techniques, you could be wasting money on expensive storage solutions. In this video, I'll reveal 15 zero-cost ideas that transformed my cluttered home into an organized oasis. Before we get started, if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 1. Start small. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the same goes for organizing your home. I remember when I first decided to tackle the clutter in my apartment. The sheer volume of stuff made me give up before I even started. That's when I learned the power of starting small. Instead of trying to reorganize your entire home in one go, focus on one area at a time. Pick a single dryer, a shelf, or even just a corner of a room. By breaking the task into manageable chunks, you'll avoid feeling overwhelmed. 2. Use toilet paper rolls for cords. If you're anything like me, you've probably got a tangled mess of cords hiding in a dryer or box somewhere. It's frustrating when you need a specific cable and you have to spend 10 minutes searching for it. Here's a simple solution that I stumbled upon. Use empty toilet paper rolls to keep your cords organized. Simply wind up your electronic cords and slip them into empty toilet paper rolls. Not only does this keep them tangle-free, but it also makes it easy to identify. You can even write on the rolls to label them if you want to get extra organized. 3. Repurpose soda boxes for canned goods. Here's a nifty trick I discovered when I was trying to organize my overflowing pantry. Use empty soda boxes to store canned goods. It's a simple idea, but it's surprisingly effective. The next time you finish a case of soda, don't toss the box. The compartments that once held soda cans are perfect for storing canned vegetables, soups, or any other canned goods you have. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I keep my home organized" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more minimalism and decluttering tips. 4. Create dryer dividers from cardboard. Custom dryer organizers can be expensive, but who says you need to buy them? With a little creativity, you can make your own using materials you already have at home. One of my favorite DIY organization hacks is creating dryer dividers from old cardboard boxes. All you need is a sturdy cardboard box, a ruler, a pen, and a pair of scissors. Measure the inside of your dryer, then cut pieces of cardboard to fit. You can create compartments of various sizes to accommodate different items. 5. Hang a tension rod under cabinets. Here's a clever trick that has revolutionized the space under my kitchen sink. Hanging a tension rod. This simple addition can transform wasted space into a functional storage area. Install a tension rod under your kitchen or bathroom cabinets, and you can hang spray bottles by their nozzles. This not only frees up valuable floor space in the cabinet, but also makes it easier to grab the cleaner you need without having to move everything else around. 6. Use over-the-door organizers. Vertical space is often overlooked when it comes to organization, but it can be a game changer, especially in small homes. One of my favorite ways to utilize vertical space is by using over-the-door organizers. You know those hanging shoe organizers with multiple pockets? They're not just for shoes. These versatile organizers can be repurposed for all sorts of items. Hang one on the back of your bathroom door to store toiletries, makeup, or hair accessories. In the kitchen, use it for spices, snacks, or small gadgets. In a child's room, it can hold toys, art supplies, or even clothing items like socks and underwear. 7. Store sheet sets inside pillowcases. Linen closets can quickly become a jumbled mess, with sheet sets getting separated and pillowcases going missing. Here's a simple trick I learned that has kept my linen closet neat and tidy. Store each set of sheets inside its matching pillowcase. Here's how it works. After washing your sheets, fold the fitted sheet and flat sheet. I know, folding fitted sheets is a challenge in itself, but that's a topic for another day. Then, tuck these folded sheets into one of the set's pillowcases. This keeps everything together and makes it easy to grab a complete set when you're changing your bedding. 8. Label everything. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how much of a difference a good labeling system can make. And the best part is you don't need fancy label makers or expensive stickers. A roll of masking tape and a marker will do just fine. Or you can get these labels for free as a bonus if you join our free 7-day declutter challenge. We will talk more about this later. Start by labeling boxes, bins, and shelves. This helps you quickly identify where items belong and makes it easier for everyone in the household to maintain the organization system. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video. So we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 9. Utilize the back of closet doors. Closet doors are often an underutilized space, but they offer prime real estate for organization. By adding hooks or small organizers to the back of your closet doors, you can create additional storage without taking up any floor space. In my bedroom closet, I installed a few simple hooks on the back of the door. These have become the perfect spot for hanging robes, belts, and scarves. 10. Use old jars for office supplies. Repurpose. Don't toss those empty glass jars. They can be repurposed into stylish and functional organizers for your desk or workspace. Clean out your jars, remove the labels, and now you have instant organizers. Use them to store pens, pencils, paper clips, rubber bands, push pins, any small items that you want to keep visible and easily accessible. 11. Create a family command center. A family command center is a centralized spot where you can keep track of schedules, important documents, and reminders. It sounds fancy, but you can create one using items you already have at home. Choose a wall or area that's easily accessible to everyone in the family. This could be in the kitchen, near the front door, or in a hallway. Use a bulletin board, whiteboard, or even just a section of wall to create your command center. Include a calendar for tracking appointments and events, a space for incoming and outgoing mail, a spot for keys, and perhaps a chalkboard or whiteboard for leaving messages or reminders. 12. Store craft supplies in reused containers. Craft supplies can quickly become a jumbled mess, but you don't need to buy expensive organizers to keep them in check. Look around your home for containers you can repurpose. Empty yogurt cups, tin cans, or even plastic food containers can be transformed into organizers for your craft supplies. Use them to store scissors, markers, glue sticks, paintbrushes, and more. You can even decorate these containers to match your craft room decor if you're feeling extra creative. 13. Practice file folding for clothes. File folding, also known as the KonMari method, is a game changer when it comes to organizing your clothes. Instead of stacking clothes horizontally, you fold them into compact rectangles and store them vertically like files in a filing cabinet. This method has several benefits. First, it maximizes space in your dryers. Second, it allows you to see all your clothes at once, making it easier to find what you're looking for. And third, it helps keep your clothes wrinkle-free. I was skeptical at first, but once I tried file folding, I was hooked. My t-shirt dryer, which used to be a jumbled mess, is now neatly organized. I can see every shirt at a glance, and I'm much more likely to wear items that used to get lost at the bottom of the pile. 14. Keep cleaning supplies together. Having to hunt for cleaning supplies when you're in the middle of a cleaning session can be frustrating. That's why I'm a big advocate for keeping all cleaning supplies in one designated area. Choose a spot that's central and easily accessible, under the kitchen sink, in a hall closet, or even in a portable caddy that you can move from room to room. 15. Implement the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item that comes into your home, one item must go out. This rule helps maintain the organization you've worked so hard to achieve. It prevents dryers from overflowing, closets from bursting at the seams, and surfaces from becoming cluttered. For example, if you buy a new shirt, choose an old one to donate. If your child gets a new toy, have them pick an old toy to give away. This not only keeps your home organized, but also promotes mindful consumption and generosity. There you have it, 15 best home organization ideas of zero cost. If you enjoyed these decluttering tips, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.